ready to snag that must-have item without breaking the bank right away. Let's dive into how to use Klarna in stores right here in the UK. First, make sure you've downloaded the Klarna app from your app store and created an account. This is your gateway to flexible in-store shopping. Once you're set up, you have a couple of options: the Klarna card, a physical card you can use just like a debit card at participating retailers, or Klarna in-store through the app. For Klarna in-store, open the app and look for the in-store option, which will usually generate a QR code. Simply show this QR code to the cashier at checkout, and they'll scan it. Next, you'll select your preferred payment option within the app. Klarna typically offers pay in 30 days, pay in 3 installments, or sometimes even longer-term financing, depending on the retailer and your eligibility. Keep in mind, eligibility requirements apply. You'll generally need to be at least 18 years old, a UK resident, and Klarna will perform a credit check to determine your approval and spending limit. And that's it. You've successfully used Klarna in-store. Enjoy your purchase, and remember to manage your payments responsibly through the app. Happy shopping!